LED rechargeable camping lanterns. I actually got these to use during severe storm weather just because I know that they're rechargeable and I wouldn't be scrounging around for batteries. These are really nifty, so you can use them in several different ways. So first you can hang it just like a regular lantern, but then you can also take it apart, screw it back together, and now you have a flashlight. See? And then you also, from there, can hang it upside down now. Pretty cool. So it comes in different color combinations. It's very, very bright. So there's the first one. You can also hold it down and it will dim. So it's like a lighter. So they're rechargeable. They have this little waterproof seal here to make sure it doesn't get wet. And it comes with a charger too. Each of them comes with its own charger. So pretty nifty. I would definitely recommend, especially if you live somewhere that has severe weather like us. You just never know when you might need it. It's really nice.